Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can put about natural log for the both side in here. So we have the formula ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. So this one, we need to transform this one into this one, and we have to ask ln of 1 minus s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So this one, we have first derivative of y over y. So we need to do first derivative of 2s multiplied by ln of 1 minus s. Later that, we need to do first derivative of ln of 1 minus s multiplied by 2s. So this one we have number 2. This one we have negative number 1 over 1 minus s. Because we have the negative sign in here, that's why when we do first derivative of 1 minus s, we have negative number 1 in here. And now we put y go to the right. And we know that y that is about this one. And here is the final answer. Now let's go to the second one. We do the same technique. We put about ln for the both sides. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So this one, we have number 2 over 2s. This one, we have 1 over ln 2s. Later that, we do first derivative of ln 2s, and we have 2 over 2s. Number 2 and number 2, we simplify. Similar for this one. Next, I will put y go to the right. About y, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.